So I want to talk about why a lot of companies don't fix vulnerabilities. And I think sometimes in the AppSec world, there's this idea that all you have to do is find the vulnerability or make it easy to fix and make it easy and better to have almost like the known vulnerability, knowing what to fix. But that's not why things don't get fixed. The reason things don't get fixed is that a lot of times the individuals, the developers, organizations, they don't know the blast radius of the fix. And that's the problem. Like, you need to understand the side effects. And the bottom line is that, yes, there's some vulnerabilities in AppSec that are very easy and you can kind of say, yes, the blast radius of this is very limited. But in most cases it's not. And that's the challenge. The challenge is that every time you make a change is a code change that needs to be implemented. And that needs a pipeline, needs testing, needs all sorts of other things to happen. And more importantly, you need to understand the blast radius of the fix. And nobody wakes up one day and says, I'm not going to fix vulnerabilities, right? But if fixing vulnerabilities is a gamble in your career, if it's a gamble on how much in trouble you're going to get, or you can risk breaking the business, that's why a lot of business don't do that. And also, they've been burnt in the past, right? Like, I pushed to fix once in a system that we bricked a production line factory, right? Or we bricked a bunch of other things, right? Suddenly it was the fix that caused the problem. So that's the challenge, right? It's the blast radius, and this is what I think a lot of security teams should be doing, is understand the blast radius. Then the fix are easy to do.